this very visual of him going to inside the mosque also captures the time when he in fact started hovering in that very area, in the old Delhi area, around 2:30 p.m. And it's also being said that he was inside the mosque for 10 whole minutes. What more are we gathering on that front?
Well, absolutely. In fact, I visited that mosque, Shreya, last night, and in that vicinity, what it was clear that he visited that mosque. He was there for 10-15 minutes. I did ask all of those who are regular namaz offerees over there, and they said the 10-15 minutes is quite enough time if you want to offer namaz. So what it is being suggested right now that probably before he carried out his final plan, he went to the Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid, which is linked to the Tablighi Markaz, and there he's probably offered his final namaz and subsequently drove to the Sunheri Masjid parking lot. This is the T5 parking lot of Red Fort. And clearly, what it's also being suggested right now through that CCTV we accessed last night, that probably he waited desperately, deliberately for 3 hours for traffic to pile up, and then he chose to exit and detonate the I-20 car.
One short response from you. Is there any news, as you were saying you visited the very mosque, is there any news of this particular person having met anyone inside or before entering the mosque, inside the mosque, or while coming out?
Well, we did ask the police sources as well as the members of the masjid. They have suggested that they do not remember this person entering or exiting. Even the ones who are regular over there who come to offer namaz, we did speak with them, but they don't remember this person. They say that if they had known he was a terrorist, if they had met him, they would have taken him to task themselves. So there's anger within the community as well. But clearly, there is no confirmation that he established contact with anyone else.